Assalamu alaikum student. This is the next chapter of your English, The Donkey. It's a poem about a donkey. So let's start. I saw a donkey one day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocketed and struggled and weren't much use. So children, what is the meaning of these lines that I have read? So here is one donkey. It's very weak. His head was too big. See, according to his body, his head is too big for his neck to hold. Even his neck can't bear the weight of his head. His leg was shaky. See, the leg is too, see, shaky like this. The legs were shaking while he's trying to stand still. And long and loose. See, there's no strength in his leg. Very loose. They rocked it and struggled and weren't much use. What's the meaning of rocked it, children? That whenever he tried to move, the leg suddenly move. He can't able to stand still. Struggled, that move unsteadily. It's not moving in a right way. It's moving here and there. This is the meaning of first stanza. Second stanza. He tried to gambol and frisk a bit, but he wasn't quite sure of the trick of it. His queer little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. So children, he tried to gambol and frisk a bit. What's the meaning of gambol? Keep, move, leap, move playfully. He is trying to move slowly, playfully, to take a step ahead, but no use. But he wasn't quite sure. He don't know how to move because he's a newborn baby like donkey. His queer little coat was soft and grey. See, this grey. This little coat is grey and soft and very soft and grey in color, and curled his neck in his lovely way. So you see his neck, his curl is also here in a lovely way. Now third stanza. His face was wistful and left no doubt, and he left life needed some thinking about. So he blundered around its venturesome quest, then lay flat on the ground to rest. So children, his face was wistful, meaning of wistful, full of hope, longing for something, that he never loses hope. He knew that one day I'll stand and still and move. And he felt like needed some thinking about. So he blundered around in venturesome quest. Venturesome means, children, daring. He daring himself that yes, now I can move ahead. He's summing up his build to stand still and to move. And after trying again, he lay flat on the ground for rest. He looked so little and weak and slim. He's so little, children, and very weak and also slim. I prayed the world might be good to him. So I pray to the world that please be kind to him, be good to him, so he can able to stand still and go ahead. So children, this is a meaning of this all stanza. So I hope you understood this poetry about donkey. So keep learning this poem by heart. Thank you.